this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our latest dash cam in a 2017 BMW 4 Series. It's a 435 F Series, F30, F31, F32, F33. It fits in all those 3 Series and 4 Series from 2012 and up. And that's the latest one, the 1080p one, the real 1080p. And it plays through the app, and this is our latest Android screen for BMW. As you can see, it's a black frame and it's anti-glare screen, blue screen. And that's the dash cam that I was talking about, and right now it's on recording mode, and on the side the SD card can go in and it saves the video on the SD card as well. One cool thing about this dash cam, it comes with a UV protection which is magnetic. That's the UV protection, so it can it's kind of like a UV protection lens, and it protects the quality of the video during recording. So, and it's easy to install. It's just like magnetic, and it goes back to the spot as easy as that. So we are happy to announce that this dash cam will be available by end of the month on our website, and you can buy them online. And also, as I was mentioning, this is our latest Android blue screen, anti-glare, so you can see there is no reflection, there is no glare on it. It's exact same as BMW screen. The quality is super high, and you can buy them online right now from 4x4shop.ca and add your favorite dash cams to them, and you can enjoy the freedom of using your entertainment, infotainment in your BMW vehicles. And by touching the screen, we can go to the apps, Google Maps, and all those apps are there, and we can go to the dash cam, and we have the full image on our screen. Again, if you want to buy these units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294. Thank you and have a great day.